currently in Melbourne Zoo. We purchased a ticket. If you're a student, it's free. And hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin namin dito. Walang pasikat-sikat dito. Oh, they also have like, it's a snake bone, I think. And that's a very big snake. Hindi ko sure kung okay na mag-video dito or whatever, but hanggat hindi akong sinasabihan na bawal mag-video, I will still be a vlogger because I'm a trying hard vlogger. Or on artifacts. Is that artifacts? I'm not sure what it is. But I remember Ross Geller. Dynamic Earth. And what do we have here?
Now, dinosaurs and tyrannosaurs in general were meat-eating dinosaurs, but their teeth are kind of odd compared to other meat-eaters. Like, looking at...
It says here, feel the teeth of Tarbosh or Rubz. I'm not sure if I pronounced it right, but
had a mouthful of steak knives.
Grabe.
Tyrannosaurs like Tarbosaurus were doing something different.
Okay, so this is beetle. This is Ipis Charis. This is Lawao.
This is tumbak tumba.
This is cool.
Different kinds of Antonio.
Meron silang pre-reserve na hindi ko alam kung ano.
Giant.
Giant cuttlefish, yeah. Giant. Poging bata, you know. Poging bata ka. Are you handsome? Barbed wire for today's video. Kita nyo ba? Barbed wire. Yan o, barbed wire. Medal? This is medals. Oops. So against the light, pero this is Melbourne Gallery through to the Pacifica Gallery. Yep. Yeah. Guys, this is so cute. Naririnig nyo ba guys? Pero may sound na parang like sumasakay ka talaga sa actual kalesan na parang sa movie talaga. Diyan no, parang may sound siya na parang actual ka talaga na nasa actual ka talaga na pagsakay ng dito ng whatever they call this. Antonio.
Jollibee.
Tamok mo sis. Hukaw. Hukaw sa bugas. Oh, sabay mo. Are, surot. Oh. Are, ulod-ulod. Are, oh, langaw. Oh. Are, social bug. Opo. And look at that guys. Oh. Diin.
Sponge.
Ay, sis, blood parasite. Oh, ano naman bacteriology, Charlotte, eklabush mo dyan. Tapos, this side naman is like that. And this is, I don't know, what's this? Inclined self-acting trauma. There's this. Not sure what is this. Port Phillip Quartz Mine and Colonial Gold Mining Co. Treatment works like that. What it looks like. And then there is a life-size cafeteria here. Yep, and there's space Sherlock Labu, and this is the machines that will work when you press it. Sample. When you press it here, it will work. Oh, it will work. There's this. sounds of Rubz. Oh my gosh! This is like a life-size dollhouse, and tignan natin. Okay, so this one is, di ko alam, yung siguro mga like storage ng mga like honeys and whatsoever, like hindi ko alam tawag yan, pantry ba? And then this one is, I'm not sure, table? I don't think that this is a dining room. I think it's like playroom. And then the room, and then the bathroom, I think, the bathroom. This one is the dining room. This one is the kitchen, I believe. No, and this is the parang like wine, something. And then this is, I don't know, dirty kitchen maybe. I'm not sure. And then this one, parang storage area. This one is another dining. This one is the mansion. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yan dyan. Gosh. I'm not sure, guys. Hindi ko alam kung meron din sa inyong katulad ko na sobrang hilig ko talaga, guys. Sobrang hilig ko talaga sa dollhouse. Ito na siguro, guys, yung pinaka-favorite ko na part, yung dollhouse part. Ito may pangalan. It's Pendle Hall, a Georgian mansion, 1940-1980s. Felicity felt her daughter's little dollhouse was too plain, so she improved it hugely for 40 years. Does that mean that he built this for like 40 years? Felicity Clemens, Tasmania wood, and heaps of other things, about 1 and 12. Oh my gosh!
Flash mo na siya.
Oh my gosh, guys! Like, hindi ko alam. Yun siguro yung reason na naging favorite ko yung Sims kasi mahilig talaga ako sa mga dollhouse. Ito, guys, ang actual na material ng dollhouse. And very detailed talaga siya. Oh my gosh, the talent. Very detailed talaga siya, guys. Look at that. Oh, yung mga small walls. Very detailed yung mga, like, sa mga walls. And then may plant din siya. And yung kahit yung mga tao meron siyang plants. Eh, it's cute lang na it's very, very detailed. Hindi siya yung normal. See? It's very detailed. Oh my gosh, meron siyang actual room talaga, guys, na parang dining. Something. Yan, may pa-wall, may pa-window dyan. And then, diba parang, okay, cheers. Okay, chibugan na, charis. Okay, we're currently here sa Forest Gallery. Kalakandos yarn. Kita yung shadow. So, we are now entering the forest. Actually, it's cold here. This is the Forest Gallery, I think. Diba? Yeah, look at this. Yung feels dito, guys, yung parang temperature choice. Yung ano dito is malamig. Siguro pag forest, ganun talaga, guys, no? Like, malamig talaga siya. So, yup, bababa na kami. Let's see kung ano meron siya. Sa gitna, it's like parang mga puno and everything. And sobrang lamig na. Ay, ganda siya, sis. Pakita ko sa inyo. Bumabawi ako ng vlog kasi nga sa Singapore hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng maayos. Eh, mas maganda yung vlog ng kuya ko kaysa sa akin. So, ngayon, bawi ako. Okay. Oh, natural wind ba to? Gosh, windy! So windy. And there are like, what's this? Quail? There are lots of different like birds around here. So, alright. I-appreciate ulit namin tong bukid na to or ng forest na to. That's why nakakamiss talaga, guys. Yung buhay sa bukid. Kapag umalis ka na sa bukid. Kasi mamimiss mo yung ganito, yung parang ang lamig, na kahit mainit yung, kahit grabe yung sikat ng araw, hindi siya ganun kainit kasi nga maraming puno, yun yung nakakamiss sa bundok. And pag wala ka na sa bundok, kung nasa bundok ka, reklamo ka ng reklamo. Pero kung wala ka na sa bundok, ma-appreciate mo talaga yung bundok. Kung gano'n ka, like, maganda sa bundok. Nadaan na kami dito, everyone.